I picked up this 262 XP off of an old man named Don today for 200 bucks, and it runs. He's been retired for over 35 years. So he's been retired longer than I've been alive. But yeah, so I just wanted to start it up, and it's been in the van all day. So I just wanted to see if it'll start. Not at Don's place with him standing there. Lay down. Oh, he's got his on-off switch reversed, so we get to change that because I apparently couldn't get that right. But yeah, so 20-inch bar. I'm just gonna cut firewood with it because that's pretty much all I'm doing with the chainsaw lately is cutting firewood and just dead standing and all of that. So yeah, cool. Just want to show you guys. Maybe you'll be seeing it in more videos.